That story, shifting our focus now to neighboring Karnataka, where the Chief Minister's post is once again in the spotlight. Congress leader Veerappa Moily has stated that no one can stop DK Shivakumar from becoming the Chief Minister, as it is a settled matter. Addressing a Congress event at Karkala, he also noted that despite being the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President, Shivakumar has worked tirelessly, even in challenging times for the party at the national level, and has contributed to the party's rise to power in other states as well.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಯಕತ್ವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಆದ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಯಾರು ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗುವುದನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆತಂಕ ಪಡಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡುವ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ತೃಪ್ತಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೇ ಹೊರತು, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗುವುದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದು ವರ ಕೊಡೋ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಅದು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಪದವಿ.
In fact, political circles in the state, especially within the ruling Congress party, have been rife with speculation about a leadership change later this year, reportedly under a rotational chief minister or a power-sharing agreement with the central leadership. These remarks come amid assertions from several ministers and leaders considered close to Siddaramaiah, who have now ruled out any leadership change and insisted that the incumbent CM Siddaramaiah will serve a full 5-year term.
ಯಾಕೆ ಗಡುವು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ರಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಂತೂ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ರಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Mr. DK Shivakumar, when he was an event, what Mr. Moily said.
I don't want to comment on that.
So lastly, sir, as from the...
My High Command has told us not to comment on all these issues. They're all non-issues. I'm not going to comment. Our government is working in the interest of the people, in the interest of the state. We are doing well. Whatever promises we have made, we have implemented it. And the state is progressing. We have already seen what the Speaker has said, what the Honorable Governor has said. So you ask about the development, I'll talk to you.
In fact, these statements also defy Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's recent warning urging party members to focus on governance instead of making public remarks about the leadership transition. In fact, on this note, listen into what the man of the moment, DK Shivakumar, had to say about this entire issue.
ನಾನೇನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.